In this video, I'm going to walk through how to set up a round-robin tournament on Tourny. Once you've created your tournament, you'll be brought to this dashboard page. And here we can follow along with the setup guide and start by managing our format. We'll be brought to the Manage tab of the tournament on the Format option, and we can start by selecting our format. Here we'll be presented with a lot of different options for our format, and today we're going to select the round robin and go to the next step. Now we can configure our round robin standings, how teams will be ranked, and how we will use tiebreakers to break any ties in the standings. Let's say we want to update our tiebreakers. We can drag and drop them to switch the order, and we can select new tiebreakers if we want to use them. Let's say we want to use least sets against as a head-to-head tiebreaker. And we can go to the next step. And our format is ready. After we confirm this, we'll move on to adding our teams and creating our pools. Now we can go to this teams option and select add teams. And I'm going to bulk add teams. For the sake of this demo, I'm going to add 8 placeholder teams. And save. And now once our teams are in place, we can scroll down and go to our rounds. This is where we'll set up our pools and our games. And we can set up our pools. And now on this screen, you can customize your pools. You can change who's in which pool by dragging and dropping. You can also change the number of pools. Let's say we want 1 pool, or back with 2. And then we can decide how we want to generate our games, whether we want to generate where every team plays every team within its pool, or you can select teams to play a specific number of games. Or if you have a very specific schedule, you can decide to do manual entry and enter each game individually. So let's generate games where every team plays every other team in its pool once. And now you can see a preview of all the games. We can see Pool A's games, then Pool B, then back to Pool A, where each team plays every team in its pool. And we can save those games. Once those games are saved, we can go to the Games tab on the left-hand sidebar, and we can see a list of all the games in our tournament. And if we go to the Standings tab, we will see our pool standings. If you want to schedule your games, you can go back to the Manage tab, scroll down to the Schedule, and follow the steps there to schedule your tournament.